We need to observe the imperceptible to grasp its hidden beauty. It takes the curious gaze of those who look beyond the visible to investigate its mechanisms. Only this way, we will be able to take care of soil and plant health. In a world where population is steadily growing and that must face the impact of climate change on the environment, we need to look beyond and imagine bold solutions. For over 40 years, in Valagro, we have been looking at the secrets of plants, walking along a third way where science and nature join forces in the name of sustainability. In our laboratories, we investigate the deepest secrets of plants, understanding their physiology to help them grow healthy, stronger and more productive. We figured out novel methods to extract active ingredients, reinterpreted techniques belonging to other sectors, and found new raw materials where no one has looked for them before. Our research is curious, open to the continuous change of the world around us. But we look beyond the lab. We test our biostimulants in the field, monitoring their performances to help our customers reach their goals. We encourage our people to go beyond their boundaries and their comfort zone, because that's what gives them an edge. In over 40 years, we have brought our philosophy and our mindset into the world, also thanks to continuous investments in our laboratories and the establishment of research partnerships. By entering the Syngenta Group, we wish even more to imagine today the solutions of tomorrow, because the ability to dream, to imagine things that do not exist yet, to look beyond, is our greatest treasure. Valagro, where science serves nature.